What is up, guys? Welcome back to my gaming channel, and the game we're gonna play today is Glide Tower. You maybe have seen this game in YouTube Shorts or in TikTok videos that the runs the Roblox runs play this game, but today but in today's video we're just gonna play like normal gameplay. Let's get started. Bang! Let's press the game. Yes. I muted the music so I wouldn't get copyrighted. Let's get started. I'm flying like Superman, gliding. The game is literally called Glide Tower, and I'm saying flying. Jump. Okay, I'm gliding. I use the proper term right now. I haven't spoke in English like I don't know, but I'm having difficulty saying words in English that will make sense. I keep having pauses in my sentences because I don't remember the words I was supposed to say because I don't write a script for my videos. No! Good thing I'm a member. I don't write scripts for my videos because I'm not a script guy, but I just talk in my videos like directly talk, not memorize the script. Whoop! Oppa Gangnam Style. Oh no 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 no. Oh, come on, man, why? I don't know how to play this game now. Oh, oh. I thought I was gonna die there. I'm not currently using headphones because my headphones died and it's currently charging right now. But I can hear the gameplay right now. Whee! Nice. No. Oh god damn. Nice. That's what you call mindset. I wasn't gonna die there, but I still made the checkpoint. I was about to scream, but I I just remembered maybe the audio will break the sound barrier. Oh come on, man! Please just let me live for once. The reason I'm not talking as much I used to do because I'm usually speaking in Javacano, but I'm usually speaking in my native language, but I'm not used to speak English. I'm not used to speaking English, but I need to speak English for you guys to understand me. Oh, yeah. Why did I make a gagging noise? Currently, right now, I close the electric fan. That because every time I keep the electric fan on, the audio the audio get the audio is worse. The audio is bad, and my palms are currently sweating right now. Ooh. Whee! Jump, jump. Oh my god, I took damage. Please, game, don't. Oh my god, I'm keep taking damage. Checkpoint. Nope, never mind. It's not a checkpoint. Oh, come on, man. Nice. Jump and jump. Okay. Oi, 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 oi. Ah, 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 oi, oi, oi. the word uwi means here is oh. That is what it means. And I just died. I mean, I just ragdolled. Pick from the pool. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Oh my god. There was a ladder this whole time? Come on, man. Ooh. Never mind. Don't you dare. Nice. I didn't fall this time. Are we close to the end? No. I'm not going in first person because I think I will make you guys nauseous. I know how to do this on a laptop because I trained in the relapse tower. Just kidding. I always see this gameplay whenever I watch TikTok. So I always wonder, what is the feeling? What do you guys do when playing this? Oh, what the hell was that noise I made? I did. Come on, man. How am I gliding backwards? Let's just wait out. Nice. No! Ah! So concentrating. I'm so concentrated. Yup. Blablabla. I keep doing noises when I'm concentrated. So sorry guys for making all those noises. Bleh, like that. Come on, man. Oh, jump. Nice. Good thing I landed on a floating platform. Oh, let's go! Not yet. I won! I won! By only like 9 minutes and 22. Whee! If you want to see videos like this, just comment down below. And see you guys next time. So guys, before I end the video, this is just for extra footage. Gliding down the cliff. Yup. Whee! 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 Yes, this is the final ending. Goodbye, guys.